Yes, this is what I look like. Am I better? No. But we've got some fish, mayonnaise, ketchup, bacon things, jalapenos. I actually just drunk the juice and then remembered I got a sore throat, so you can imagine I gave it out well. If I'm honest, I haven't got much of an appetite, but we're gonna try and eat it because these fish needed to be eaten, to be fair. So that's why here we are. Hot. Nice though. Anyway, guys, how have you been? Because I've been really slack on here with my comments and everything because I just haven't been well. Like, not hot. But last night, I could have ripped my face off. Like, the watering, I'm still not okay. Better than yesterday. The watering, the running of my nose, the soreness here, the soreness on my own. I was like, oh my God, I'm actually going to rip my face off. Like, literally. Yeah, that's where we're at. We were all asleep by 8 o'clock. Oh. Tommy fell asleep, obviously, next to me. Then I fell asleep. And then I woke up at 8 and I was like, oh shit, I've got to sort the animals out. Woke up. Checked Ellie. She was asleep. Very unusual. So I just turned her TV off and then I went to bed. That was it, done. I needed to sleep it off, whatever this is. Why am I getting ill again? Everybody's just getting ill. Like, everybody around me. If it's not one person, it's the other child or the other adult or whatever. There's a lot going around. I never used to get this ill when I was younger. I had a really good immune system, but it actually knocks me for 6 now. Honestly. Let's try that. I thought that was a bit hot for my throat. Though she continues to put jalapeno on. Yes, I know. Stupid. Anyway, what have you eaten today? If you haven't had anything, have something. Something is better than nothing. Honestly. And I know when some people are like, oh, you know, she's eating, she can't be that well because she eats. But, shit. And have you know, after a night shift, or when I'm poorly, I want to eat crap. I want to eat crap. That's what I want to do. The only thing is, people think that you'll come on to pretend to be ill. That's just ridiculous. The only thing that I've ever come on and pretended something that I'm not, which is honest, is happy. Sometimes. That was the only thing I pretended. I know I put myself on social media, I get that. But I also keep things private. So, I went through some hard times at some point. I still showed up here. Unfortunately, this is my job, whether people like to admit it or not. Doing it or not. Right? So I showed up. I did what I had to do. It was exactly what I would have done in the care home or the hospital where I was working. Showed up. I acted like what I've got to do. And then deal with things when I get home on my own. That's what I'm like, generally. It doesn't matter if it's social media, any kind of work. I don't bring my business to the table. You know what I mean? That's the only time I ever pretended stuff. Which is not now, by the way. Now I'm actually generally ill. I can't pretend that because I literally look dire. Anyway, that's me. Hope you had a good day.